Kaizer Chiefs fans, Nedbank Cup champions, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Ngajabula kakhulu. So there have been rumors in social media from Sunday. So sivukile nje Sunday is happy. Mase check on social media, we see a post from a payable page stating that Nasruddin Nabi will go from Kaizer Chiefs. And then I was like, I don't trust the payable at all. I wait until Monday. I saw Lawrence posted it again, saying Nabi will go. Then I was like, this guy I don't trust. Until I saw the video of Kaizer Juna Mtaung. He was asked ukuthi Coach Nabi is going or staying. He didn't have a proper answer. He was not straight to the point. He was just going around not giving us the answer we wanted. And that was lokho kunginike leyo nto ukuthi these guys are releasing Coach Nabi for sure. Also, I saw a post from Mickey June. So Mickey June always post true stories. In his story, he stated that Nasruddin Nabi will go from Kaizer Chiefs because he was promised some things, and those things are not happening now. They are not giving him full control of the team. I will post this here. You will see the picture, the screenshots of Mickey Junior's post here. This is sad, very sad, because we had hope was this guy will stay. As you can, we also in South Africa. Lom Jesus usinikeze i-cup. Yabo, usinikeze i-cup for after a long time. So why are you letting go of a coach? Because it's proof that he's one of the best coaches we've ever had in the last 9 years or so. Why is management of Kaizer Chiefs promising coaches that they will do this and this, and then when time comes they don't deliver? Kevin Hunt said this, and I was like, this guy is like yabo. Kevin Hunt said Kaizer Chiefs told me ukuthi I must push with these players, and end of the season they will get me the players I want. What happened? They just sacked him before before the season ended. You see, the decisions that are made by Kaizer Chiefs management, they destroy our club. Me, I'm not happy. Angijabulile ngisdala, because changing a coach now will damage the club again. So another coach will come and try to ukufundisa amajisi style of play isakhe. What will happen? We will be starting from the bottom. At least now we are somewhere there. Why are you letting go of a coach who has a vision, who knows what he wants? You are firing him because he wants to spend your money. Why? Come on. Mickey Jr also stated that umuntu ongenzeka ezovala isikhala sanabi is Pitso Mosimane. And I was like, come on, man. Just give Nabi one more season at least. Come on. Look at Rivero. He came to Pirates, won the trophy. They gave him another season. Yabo. Why can't Chiefs do the same? Let the team build and be strong. And we are doing this where we are about to play in Africa, and you want to change coaches. Why? Come on, guys, you are not serious. I am angry. You are not serious, guys. You can't be changing coaches like socks. This guy needs players. Give him players. Give him budget so he can go and get his players. If he fails, then you can sack him. Not now. Khona umdlalo unabaka wamfuna bamthengela akekho. All of these players that came, they were not in the short list of Nasruddin Nabi. Nasruddin Nabi wanted a left back who they brought. They brought Umlungu. He wanted a Basadin. Nabi wanted a winger. They didn't bought any winger. He wanted this guy from Polokwane City. Balomjisa lo. Balo fan. Yena loyo. Yabo. Ngizomkhumbula yeah. Ubefuna lo mjisi wakho Polokwane City odlala la esayidini. Lutho nakhona abamthenganga. Unabo wathi ufuna striker 1 or 2. Wathi ufuna u15 Mayele. Lutho akamtholanga. Bamthengela uMorris. Unabi wathi ufuna central midfield. Wathi ufuna u15 Mayele. Lutho akamtholanga. So now you are shifting the blame to him, and you nifika ngokuthi in league the results have been not good. Come on, guys, look at Manchester United. They won't sack their coach. They won't. Ngeke bemxosha Amorim because he's building something. Naye unjengoNabi akalitholanga iwindi liphelele, akakabathola abadlali abafunayo. So if they sack him, then Man United have to start afresh and restart everything, same as Kaizer Chiefs. If you sack Coach Nabi, we'll have to restart and reset everything. You don't take Kaizer Chiefs serious. We don't want Coach Nabi to go. I don't want Coach Nabi to go. Because if he go, we'll have to start afresh. The mentality of these players will have to be restarted again. Come on. Please take Kaizer Chiefs serious. And please make sure you keep Coach Nabi. We love him. The guy just won us a trophy. Come on. You can't be serious. Bafethu, uthini umbono wakho? Cani ngitshela ithini imbono yenu on the comments, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates based on the story. So ngizohamba ngifune ama trusted sources again and collect more information on this story of Nasruddin Nabi leaving Kaizer Chiefs. What do you say? When is it good that Nabi is leaving Kaizer Chiefs, or you are not agreeing with that? Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel. I love you so much. Danko.